Welcome back to Taylor Cooks. It's Taylor's Kitchen again. Do you remember this is part 2 of the duck? Now Andy Bedford from Parkside Gates and Fencing brought me 4 beautiful ducks, and we cooked some the other day with duck à l'orange, and if you remember, and I'm going to point to it now, this is a this side, oh, all right. It's a reminder of what we actually did on that day, and these are the ones that were marinated in the Chinese sauce. So I'm going to cook these tonight and show you how to do them. And a little reminder of what we actually did is here. And these are the spices that we used and how we put them. And I left them in the fridge for a day because the ducks were fresh, and then I froze them. So we're about 3 or 4 weeks later now. And I'm going to cook these and show you how to actually eat them. And Mrs. Taylor, who doesn't cook, is absolutely shouting at me because I'm late doing this. What could possibly go wrong? That's what we ended up with, and this was our fresh duck. And I'm going to put those onto, ooh, yes. There we are, put them onto the tray. And the marinade that's left, there's some legs in there as well. Marinade that's left, I'm going to make into our hoisin sauce. Should be absolutely wonderful. So there's our duck, you can see that, hopefully. I'm going to put that to cook and I'll be back. While that's doing quickly, let's get some of our side bits that we need. And for duck, we're going to need cucumber and spring onions. You've probably had this many times with the Chinese. We're just going to do it at home, that's all. I'll show you how to do it. Really easy, really easy. A whole duck you can buy from most supermarkets. They're not massively expensive, especially at this time of the year, because it's actually hunting season. So let's get our cucumber. We'll just take most of the edge off, like that. Take it down the middle. Take the seeds out. Okay, so we've got our spring onions. Top and bottom off. We'll do the same with the spring onions. Okay, so let's go back down to our sauce. So of all that sauce that we put in, when you saw in the video, there isn't actually that much left of it. I'm going to put what's left into a pan, like so. Let's add some more soy sauce to it. Add a little bit of honey. I'm just going to bring this to a little bit of a simmer. Some you can put peanut butter in. I'm not a big fan of peanut butter, but we've got the honey there. And then we'll be back later on. So I got some hoisin sauce just in there. I'm going to put some soy sauce in there, a little bit of 5 spice, just 1 star anise. There is it, there we are, 1 star anise. a little bit of sesame oil, just a bit. So if I give that a mix, that can be our marinade. Put that to one side there.